Welcome back to All Occasion Gifts. This is episode 3 of the Father's Day gift basket series. Today we're going to create a bluey Father's Day gift. Okay, so I'm going to use these bluey slippers. I'm going to use a loofah. And I'm also going to use this bluey dad mode t-shirt. And I'm going to use this happiest day ever gift bag. And I'm going to use the winning formula. I have the soap, I have the deodorant, and I have the body wash. So let's get started. I've cut out a foam board to place inside of the bag. And I've also prepared my box, which is going to go inside of the bag. So let me just move this out of the way so we can get into it. I'm going to take and place my box inside of the bag. I'm going to take one of the strings out of the bag, which is going to be in the front. I'm going to eventually tie a bow on the front of the bag. I'm going to cut off the top tag. And I'm going to add that box. Okay, so now I have my box inside of the bag. Happiest dad day ever. Okay, I'm going to take and I'm going to place my t-shirt on the foam board. And I'm going to pause this for a second while I add the t-shirt. Okay, so I've added my t-shirt to the foam board. And let me just turn the camera around a little bit here. Okay, so the foam board is cut out so the t-shirt stands at the top. And the bottom half goes into the bag. I'm take the bag. I'm going to place the t-shirt down into the bag. I place the t-shirt down into the bag. I'm going to take and place the foam board on top of the box. Bring this in a little closer. And then I'm going to take the slippers and I'm going to take this extra thick piece of the tag off of the slippers. And I'm going to leave that string on there and that'll help secure the slippers to the bag. I'm going to take that elastic that's between the slippers and I'm going to secure it to the bottle of winning formula. But first I'm going to take and I'm going to add some tape to the bottom of the winning formula. And so when I glue it to the bag, the person will be able to take this off of the box with no trouble. And I'm going to add the glue. And I'm going to take and I'm going to add the slippers to the back of the body wash. I'm just going to tape it I'm going to take that elastic string to the bottle. Midway up, so it holds them in place. Here's another piece to secure it. I'm going to take and I'm going to add the slippers to the bag with the body wash. And then I'm going to take the glue and I'm going to put the glue underneath the body wash. Very carefully. So that I do not get glue on the slippers or the t-shirt. Just going to secure that down. Put the slippers in place. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to add, add some fishing wire to the slippers to hold them in place. And I'm going to tie this about 5 times to hold it in place, to keep it tight. Pull that knot to the back. And then next I'm going to take this fishing wire and I'm going to thread it underneath the cap of the winning formula. And I'm also going to add a piece of tape to secure it a little bit better. And then next I'm going to take and I'm going to add the winning formula. I'm going to add the deodorant. And let me just get a little bit of tissue to go down inside the shoe. A little more tissue actually. going to take and I'm going to add the winning formula soap to the other slipper. And also add a piece of tissue to secure it. And I'm going to position the slippers so that you can see the Bluey holding the two girls. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to add the loofah to the front, right in front of the body wash. And just slide that in there. I'm going to take and I'm going to add a piece of ribbon to the front. And I'm just going to tie the ribbon. And there we have our Bluey Father's Day gift basket. Consists of the Dad Mode t-shirt, the Bluey slippers, the winning pair body wash, deodorant, and soap, and a loofah. Let me just pull this back slightly. Kind of hard to get this in position so you can see the whole thing. Let me just pause this for a second. And there you have the Dad Mode Father's Day gift baskets. I made quite a few using the winning pair, the yellow body wash, and also the blue body wash, and various size slippers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Father's Day videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. And please continue to watch.